Looking for a smarter way to handle elevated maintenance and installation tasks? Meet the GOWE Scaffolding Hatch Platform. Built with a lightweight aluminum frame and premium plywood decking, this platform offers the perfect balance of durability and portability, making it easier than ever to move and set up on site. Safety meets convenience with our integrated hatch design. It provides a seamless, vertical access route, allowing you to transition smoothly from the ladder to your workspace. Once closed, the hatch creates a continuous, high-grip work surface, eliminating gaps and providing a stable, secure footing for long hours of work. Whether you're working indoors or out, our adjustable base jacks ensure perfect stability, even on uneven surfaces. GOWE Scaffolding Platform, elevating your safety, comfort, and efficiency. Contact us today to customize your solution. GOWE. Together, go further.